Okay, so I'd just like to go ahead and take you through some of the steps on how to create a blog using Blogger.com. The first step is to go ahead and type into your web address, type in www.blogger.com. This will take you to a home page. On that home page, if you don't already have a Google account set up or an account for Blogger specifically set up, you can go ahead and click the Get Started button. It's right in the middle of the page, and it'll take you through some simple steps on how to go ahead and create an account. Now, once you have an account created, you'll follow the steps to go through some of the options for design and settings that you'd like for your blog. Once you finish that process, you'll end up at a page that looks like this. Now, there's a lot of different options right here. What you would end up going to, though, is a button that's over on the right-hand corner. It's past the borders right here that you can see, but it says Create a Blog. It's a link. Once you hit that link, it'll take you to the process of creating a link. So what it'll take you to is an area where you can type in a title. In this case, it's GreenSpot. And you can also select what things that you'd like to place on that particular blog, things that text-wise. And you can go ahead and it'll show you a text box. And you can go ahead and start typing in different things you'd like to text about, different things you'd like to blog about. Any interests, any hobbies that you have, anything at all that you'd like to blog about. Underneath that, once you're finished typing in anything that you would care to discuss online in your blog, you'll see a button that says Publish Post. It looks almost like this, only it's orange, and it says Publish Post. Once you click on that, it will automatically be taken to the blog page that you have designed. And you can go ahead and hit a button that's right next to it that says View Blog. That's a link that'll take you back, and you'll be able to view your blog as it looks to the public that's viewing it. You can also add different options to it in settings and design. You can add different options such as viewing how many followers you have, adding different gadgets to your blog. But every time you create a blog, you'll see more of these pop up. So you'll see GreenSpot, and then you can see maybe another one underneath this, another one underneath that. And you can also stay with the same blog. If you prefer to just keep the one blog and just keep adding to it every week or every day, you can. And all you need to do is just hit New Post. You click on New Post, and you'll be taken to the exact same layout to where you have the title and you have a text box. And you'll be able to publish a new post every day or every hour or every month, whatever your preferences are. Now, if you actually want to go back and maybe edit some of the material you blogged about before, you can do this as well by clicking on the button that says Edit Posts. If you're on your blog and you're trying to do this as well, there'll be a little pencil looking icon. And if you click on that pencil, you'll also be able to edit your posts as well. And by editing posts, it'll just take you back to the information you've already typed in. And you can go ahead and add to it. You can subtract from it. You can edit different aspects of it, whichever parts you want to add on to. And you can also go into comments. You can also check out things that people have said about your blog or maybe suggestions they might have for it. And over to the side, it just gives you some statistics, and that's beyond the borders of this frame. They also give you some stats that you can look at, some design options. And that's pretty much it. You can also hide your blog right here. So, I mean, that way when you come up right here, you won't necessarily see it. You can also email it. You can send out messages, let people know. Like this, for instance, set up email posting. You can also, different options that they have, you can also show other people. You can send out notifications to let people know that you have a blog now. And every time you add a blog, it'll let you know how many blogs you have right here. So it'll tell you how many blogs in total that you have. And overall, that's about it. So once you hit the new post and once you publish your post, you'll have started blogging. So that's the essentials to starting your own blog. So I hope it's helpful. Thank you.